Welcome to the course for TSQL programming and scripting for SQL Server database administrator and developer. In this session, we are going to learn how to generate the script to change the all database owner to SA in SQL Server. Same thing you can do for how to change the job owner to SA. First, we are going to discuss this, how to change the database owner. Then we will discuss the job, how to change. So coming to the point. Okay. So, if you want to know what are the database having owner of SA or different, so how we will figure out? We will go with the select star from sys dot databases, right? If you are going to execute this command, we will able to see the database name, but owner ID, owner name, it is not displaying. It is displaying the owner SID. So we have to convert this owner SID to SID name. So how we can convert this? Because we need only name and owner. So what I'm doing, I'm removing the star, I'm writing name and I'm writing comma. And after comma, I'm giving, there is one function that is called the suser underscore s name. And in bracket, I have to provide the owner underscore SID. What is the name here, right? You can see the owner SID. So that same thing only I have to give. If I will execute this command, you will able to see that it is giving the correct result. But it is giving for the master also for the all database in this server, what are the owner is available for that database, right? So it is given, you can see there is a lot of database which don't having the SA owner, it's having some different owner. You know, when the why it is very, very important, because in real time what will be happen, who will create the database, that person name should become as a owner. So just example, if you are working, if I am the person, I have joined the company and I have created one database, it will be my name, it will work. But later what happened, I left the organization and my ID has been deleted from the AD, but still my name will show in database owner as well as database job also, right? So this is the DBA duty to change it. So there will be something called SOP you have to do, and according to that you have to complete it, or otherwise you have to generate one report every week or every month to see that what are the database owner has different, it is not SA owner. Or otherwise you can write the script in such a way using the with the PowerShell, where you can find out also, and your PowerShell will change the database owner to SA. And which one, what thing we are doing now, which we are doing for the only for one server, but if you know the PowerShell, you can rotate into the loop for the each server and you can finish your work for the multiple of server. Just example, if you have to perform this activity for the 10 server and each server having 10 database, then it is the 1000, right? So 1000 time you have to change the database name, right? Like 100 data, 100 server, and each having 10 10 10 like that. So 100 into 10 is 1000. So like if you have to change, and if you are working in any environment, so you can see there will be minimum 100 server, or you have to support at least if it is the good environment you are working, right? And there will be more server also, 300 400 like that. And getting the report or changing the owner is very difficult for DBA if they don't know the script, right? So okay, let's see how we will generate the script and we will try to fix it. If you want to change the owner of the database, so what is the command? The command is this: alter authorization on databases, and then this, and then database name to SA. Just we'll see what is my database name here. If I will go here for this database owner is something not SA. But if I will execute this command, let's see after executing this owner has been changed or not. Now if I will go here and I will right click and go to the property, I can see my owner has been changed, right, to SA. So you've understood what is that, how to change the owner of the database. Okay, so this thing like this, you cannot go manually each, like in the each database 1 2 3 4. It's very difficult, right? It's very difficult. So we are going to generate the script for performing this activity. Same way how we have done two script I have already generated, right? One is for the killing the SQL Server active process, and second is like dropping uh, the same prefix name of the table. That also we have done. In the same way we are going to perform here also. Okay, so first of all, what we have to type, we have to type the select, and what we want to print, we want to print this line. So we have to give in the single column, and I will paste this line, right? And after that, what we have to do, what is this? After that, it should be your database name. So if you want to print the database name, what you have to do, you have to give the plus symbol. That one I have already explained. Plus symbol, after plus symbol, you have to give the name. Oh, single column I have to give here. It is not coming. Okay. Plus then name, because this name is coming from the sys.sys databases, right? So you give the name, and then again we have to give the plus, and after that what it want, we want this, right? After that we want the database name, and then to SA, this should be there, right? So I will copy this, I will keep this into the single column, and then what we have to give, we have to give the from sys databases. If I'm going to execute this, I will get some result, but it is not giving into the proper format, right? So you can see what it's came here. Database like alter authorization database. Name is something coming my DB. That's correct, but it is not giving. We have to give the space also, right? So for that, okay, this also has to be there. Otherwise, it will not work. I have copied here. This time if I will execute, so now it is giving this, and after that I want space also, right? So you can see this, there is a space is available, right? For that I will give here like this. I given one space bar, enter. So it came correctly. Then after that master, right? Database name. Then after that space is there, right? In this. So if you want to make the space after that, what we will do? We will just add. No, double column, I will give the plus mark, and between that I will give space. So now if I'll execute this, what I will get? Okay, correct. Now we are getting the correct thing. But here one problem. What is the problem we are facing? Here it is giving that everything for every database, it is given the result, like how to change, right? Because we have not filtered it. So see here, it is giving for the master also. But what about the master? If I will go to the system database, right click on database, if I will go to the property, I can see for master database already it is SA. So what we are going to do, we are going to do the filter. So filter means we have to write the where clause. Where then we have, what we have to do, we have to find out where ID means owner is not equal to SA. For owner, what we have to do, we cannot go directly, right? Owner SID, because it is coming from the SID, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to give this only. We have to convert this SID ID to the owner name. So how it is? S user underscore yes name, right? And after that you give the bracket and give inside owner underscore SID. Why I'm giving this, right? Be sure, man. If I will go and if I will execute this line, sorry, if I will go and I will give, if I'm giving select start, so each and everything is going to display. So now you can see name, it is coming from here because I have given this table name sys dot databases, right? And after that I am filtering from where this owner id is this, right? But it is giving in the number, but I want to convert it into the name, right? So for conversion, you have seen how we have used in this way. So same way I have written here. After that, what we have to do, we have to check is not equal to SA. For that, what we have to do, we have, there will be, if you want to check for not equal to, you give this is the symbol of not equal to, and then in bracket you write SA. So this time whatever result will come, this all result will be displayed for databases which don't having owner SA, right? That database having the owner SA, it is not going to generate the result here. So either you can press the Control T and then you execute, so it will give the result in the text format. So directly you copy, go to new query window, just paste it, right? And after that, what you have to do, you can see here 3 databases offline. One database is TDE is offline, so it should be better you remove it. Otherwise, you can add one more feature here, means check database has to be online. If database is not online, don't take that, don't include into this, right? So it should be fine. And second is like test backup, so you remove this also, because this will be failed, you will not able to change it now here, right? So if you want to change the option itself, it is not coming. So first you have to change it to the online, then you will able to change. So that's why I have removed it. And one is MECN 2008, so that also I will remove from here. So now I will go and I will execute in one shot only, all command has been executed. Now if I will go and I will check my, where is my command? So in this point, if I will go and I will check my owner of the database, so you can see, sorry, it is giving for the name. I have to go with the select star. So now if you will go, I have to go with Control D. Sorry, that's why it is result is coming, because I press Control T. So now you will able to see why it is this one. Okay, now if I execute it, now you can see the all database owner has been changed. Of course, this and this three database I have not changed, so it is showing this. So one time I will refresh and I will open any database like DBADB property. Go to the file, you can see it is in the SA. So like that, I will take adventure work. Go to the property files, you can see it here also it is changed. So I hope you understood how to, this is a script to generate this one, changing the owner. And I hope you understood. Please watch my channel and subscribe my channel if you like my video. And if you want to learn the PowerShell, right? If you want to learn the PowerShell, please go and visit my course in Udemy. Link I will give you in the description. So PowerShell scripting for automation for SQL Server DBA, and one more course has been launched for the PowerShell for HTML for health check report. And I'm very soon I am going to launch the TSQL course also for SQL Server DBA and developer. So please watch, subscribe my channel, and please go and buy this course if you really want to know the PowerShell how it is working. And if you want coupon, you just email me. Email address I have given in my description. So I will provide you the coupon. So some price will be goes little bit down. So you don't have to pay this much, it will be go a little bit down. So now the course price was 800, but Udemy is sending it 549. I will give you the coupon, it will go a little bit more less. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please continue to watch. Thank you so much.